Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe.
Hello everyone, welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. I know y'all are probably saying, she doesn't look like she's doing a tablescape. Well, I am not doing a tablescape on today, but I am going to show you how to create this DIY for a tablescape. So this is going to be the centerpiece of a tablescape, and it is a DIY swag using a 24-inch yardstick, and that's what I'm showing you here. So a lot of the things I have gone ahead and pre-done for time's sake. I've already added my chenille stems throughout my yardstick. I actually use a total of 8, and it's very important that you straighten them out as you see me doing here. I'm straightening them out because once I put my mesh on there, I don't want to overlook one of the stems there. So you guys, go over and check out Amethyst Adventures and the Great Stock DIY Home Decor, and also to check out everyone who is creating a tablescape video on today. So this gold mesh that I am using here, I cut it in 18 inches. The gold and the cream color or the beige, I cut both of them in 18 inches, and the gold and beige mesh is 12 inches by 35 feet, okay? And I'm also going to be using the brown, and it is 5.5 inches by 45 feet, okay? And I cut that in 10 inches, I believe. I'm only using 4 of those. I also went ahead and cut and dovetail my ribbon as well. And I have 4 each that I cut here, okay?
We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa.
So now we are ready to go ahead and start creating our clusters or bow ties or flowers, whichever terminology you use when you create. We're going to start with the gold. So I always have something to be able to weight the mesh down so it don't roll to me when I'm trying to fold the other end. And I do use these clamps here to hold my roll together while I am rolling and gathering on the other end. So I'm using my cutter to hold that end down while I go ahead and roll this in, and I'm going to roll about 3 or 4 times. And once I roll, I start doing the gathering method, as you can see, after I use my clamps to hold it down. It's so much easier when you hold your clamps. You don't have to worry about it coming apart. And also too, I have learned to go ahead and try to fold the end down. That way you don't have too many raveled ends on your mesh. So that's what you see me doing, trying to crease it. So now I'm going to roll them. And now it's time to gather the other end. Bring the other end to you, or just scramble down and get it. Keep your fingers in the middle. Take those clamps off, and there you have it. Now, what I am going to be doing here as far as my placement is concerned, I am going to start at this end, and I'm going to lay that gold mesh from top to bottom, okay? That's what I'm doing here. Now, once I add the second piece of mesh, which is the beige color, I am going to turn it from left to right. So I'm going to rotate how I lay the mesh on the yardstick.
We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa.
are going to have to excuse me on today because I wasn't feeling my best, but I wanted to keep to my schedule that I have on my calendar to be able to get all the videos that I want done. So I did push through. So now you all see the beige one, and you see I'm placing it left to right. And then I also may tuck it under the gold just so I can apply the next piece of mesh. And also too, when you are tying, make sure you tie tight so it doesn't move. And also too, when you put your Chanel stems on, if you want to put glue, hot glue down there so they don't move, that is fine. I didn't use the hot glue. All I did was just try to tie them as tight as I possibly can. So here we are, guys, speeding up here because you guys have seen me do this over and over again. So I don't want you to have to go through me rolling up each and every one of these rolls of mesh.
It's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, 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 Lisa. We at home with Lisa, 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 Lisa. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. It's a lifestyle, new decor, white tiles. How you put it together? It ain't the price now. And Lisa gon' get you right now. Might as well hit like now. Subscribe, go tell a friend, and tell that friend, yeah, to tell a friend. Lisa, Lisa, he invite you in. Gon' show you how to put it together. This right here, yeah, the perfect color. It goes right with these fluffy pillows. And these curtains gon' set the vibe. Yeah, you can feel it when you walk inside. So just take a seat and pay attention. Lisa back with another vision. At home, gon' sip some wine. And make sure that you subscribe. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Lisa, 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 Lisa. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Lisa, 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 Lisa. We at home with Lisa, Lisa.
All right, you all, I have finished the first step. I have the first layers on. Trust the process. I know it looks a little skimpy right now, but this is the first step. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my mesh, my 10-inch cut mesh here, and I'm going to alternate the colors. So if I started with gold first, I'm going to layer it with the beige. If I did beige, I'm going to layer it with the gold. So I'm going to go through the entire 24-inch yardstick, layering it this way.
Lisa, kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Lisa, 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 Lisa. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Lisa, 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 Lisa. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. It's a lifestyle, new decor, white tiles. How you put it together? It ain't the price now. And Lisa gon' get you right now. Might as well hit like now. Subscribe, go tell a friend, and tell that friend, yeah, to tell a friend. Lisa, Lisa, he invite you in. Gon' show you how to put it together. This right here, yeah, the perfect color. It goes right with these fluffy pillows. And these curtains gon' set the vibe. Yeah, you can feel it when you walk inside. So just take a seat and pay attention. Lisa back with another vision. At home, gon' sip some wine. And make sure that you subscribe. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home
why I say trust the process. So now you see it is getting full. So I am going to add the brown mesh that I have on there. And the brown mesh, I believe, it is 5.5 inches by 45 feet. So it is shorter. So I did that on purpose because I wanted it shorter on the top. And I'm only going to be using 4 pieces of this brown mesh. And if you notice it has the gold that is going through it.
We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. We at home.
So this is what our swag is looking like now as I added the 1 piece of brown. So I'm going to go ahead and add the other 3 pieces of the brown mesh, and then I'll show you what it looks like with the brown throughout. I think it's going to turn out pretty good once I fluff all of the mesh after getting it all on there along with the ribbon as well too. I hope you all are enjoying this video. I hope this is giving you an idea on what you can do with a yardstick and some mesh. The ideas are endless and it is a DIY. So hey, can't go wrong with it here. So now I'm just going through fluffing it out a little bit, and now you can see the brown going through. You have to always trust the process. Trust the process. So I'm showing you my ribbon here. I am using the leopard print along with the brown and white polka dot print, and I'm just going to go through here and add them throughout wherever I see fit here. And I think I cut 4 of each print, and I'm going to put them together and add them to the swag. All right, you guys, I'm almost done, and we're going to head to the dining room so we can go ahead and set our table on this Tablescape Tuesday.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa.
So here on the table, I have added a somewhat burlap runner on the table with the fringes on both ends. I love the texture of this runner, and I love how it is weeded. It has like some blacks and some browns that are going through this runner. So this is the base of my table. This runner is the base of my table, and you will see why I'm saying this is the base of my table. I love the fringes at the end there. It gives it a special touch here with this runner. So now I am coming through with another runner. So I am layering my runner here. This runner is a fall leafy runner. It is very sheer, as you can see. So this is why I didn't want this piece to be my base, because it was sheer and it would tie in too much with the color of my table. So putting down the neutral burlap runner was a great idea to be able to showcase this sheer rusted color runner that you see here now. The leaves are so pretty going throughout this runner. So I am adding this tray here, and I'm adding this tray because it has a little bit of height on it, and I want my centerpiece to not to be completely flat on the table. I want it to have a little height to it. So I decided to use this whitewash distress tray here. I'm just showing you that it has a little bump under the bottom to give it a little bit of height, so it's not flushed on the table. So you guys, let's go ahead and get into this reveal. I hope you guys have liked this so far. This turned out absolutely beautiful. This DIY swag using a yardstick for a centerpiece for your tablescape, it turned out absolutely beautiful. Everything is coming together. I went ahead and I did go back and I added some rustic ribbon throughout there, and I also added some florals as well too, just to give it that little bit of an elegant touch. And I added me a bow as well. As you can see, I have some pumpkins throughout because you all know that it is fall season, so what's fall without the leaves and the pumpkins? You know, we had to add that. But this is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I love the way it turned out. Now, if I wanted to use this on my door, I could hang this on my door as well too. So this is a multifunctional piece here. I'm using it as a centerpiece for Tablescape Tuesday, but I can also use it as a door swag as well. So I do like that I'm able to use it in other places of the home, even on a vignette as well. So it turned out as I hoped that it would. Also, I hope that you all enjoyed me creating this. I hope that you all like the final look of my 24-inch yardstick swag here. I wanted to use just a solid piece of wood, but I was all out, so I had to use my yardstick. And I've added the 2 pumpkins on the end, and also too, I've added a candle in the middle as well too, just to make it pop a little bit more and to give it a different look. Well, okay, love bugs. Again, thank you all so much for tuning in. I cannot do this without you guys. Also, please give me a big thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. I am going to go lay down and get me some rest because I'm not feeling the best. But at any rate, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home.